Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Heritage Elementary School in Highland, Michigan. And it was a beautiful day. Got to spend with the JK all the way through 5th grade here at the school. I'm outside the main office near one of their hallways that says choose kindness. And this, in line with their school name, is very close to Heritage Drive, which they have for each of the hallways named certain things that deal with school pride and what they really stand for here at the elementary. And what was so just amazing for me was how much the students embraced the message today. I had so many letters from students and thank you cards and posters and drawings that talked about kindness and talked about love and respect, and that they really took the message to heart, which is anti-bullying was the main focus, but to also look at someone's heart first and foremost, just like you see your best friend. And like the shirt says here, one race, human, that we always choose to see everybody around us as human beings before anything else, and show them that same kindness. I had a couple of students that said, you don't judge somebody for who they are on the outside, how they're born, how they walk, talk, think, act, just how they might learn. It's all about who that person is, right? That we truly see what's on the inside, that true friendship is true kindness, and that we choose to become healed people to help heal other people and be that light to their hearts and know our worth, like the M on all of our palms, M for miracle, the lines on each of our hands, upside down W for worthy, that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it, and that once we truly buy into this and know how amazing each of us are, that we go out and help other people see that they're just as great, if not even greater than ourselves. Lift them up higher than ourselves. That's like the peace sign, right? One finger yourself, the other someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat them, with compassion, with empathy, with respect and love. So thanks so much for touching my heart. Hope to be back again in the future to speak again on another important topic. But until then, keep shining your light, keep spreading the peace, and keep sharing the love. Much love and peace.